helicopter just keep coming back around full circle. That's what happens every time I'm back here reading a good book, trying to work out, drinking plenty of water, trying to stay pure-minded, afloat, breathing in good oxygen, plenty of trees. More than likely, we're gonna give it a couple minutes, see if he come back around. This is his third time actually. Tell you, the devil is always working. And here he comes again. See, the thing is, when you got control of your own spirit, you don't get mad at their tactics and they fear tactics. This is what they do, to scare you up. But you gotta stay strong. God didn't create fear. They hate when I listen to church music. I listen to it all day. Come on, I hear you. Where you at? Well, I know y'all heard him. He ain't come past this way, but it sounded like he went past the front of my house. Senseless, man.